Our move is particularly significant considering the fact that there is currently no part of the country that is not facing one form of insecurity or the other. Our conventional security forces are operating in various theaters ranging from southeast to southwest, northeast to north central, heroically battling with varying degrees of security challenges. They are not only overstretched, but also lack enough modern equipment to prosecute counter banditry and insurgency warfare effectively. Therefore, our move aims to complement the efforts of our forces with the ultimate goal of totally defeating the miscreants called bandits. The law I have just signed will serve as a legal instrument for prosecuting banditry-related offenders. The new law has provided that any person found guilty of banditry, kidnapping, cattle restraint, cultism, or being informant to the bandit is liable to the death penalty. Similarly, anyone found guilty of aiding and abetting the crime mentioned is liable to life imprisonment, or 20 years of imprisonment, or 10 years imprisonment, without an option of fine.
Issue of armed banditry or insecurity is not somebody who will take it to play politics with it, because armed bandit and the criminal element in the state doesn't know a member of APC or PDP, Christian or Muslim. So today is another historic day, and I assure the good people of Zamfara State, we have a pending case under investigation of cultism, where a car dealer called Aminu Baba was caught on the act of cultism. So the law will take its course. If the police push investigation under my watch as a chairman of prosecution of armed banditry related issue, I'm not going to leave any stone unturned to make sure that anybody found wanting should face warrant of the law and order.